Wedding flowers can take a really long time to do, and they're time critical because you can't start too early. However, a little hack which you can start weeks ahead of time is to use our pot stocks as table arrangements. You can just leave them to grow, and it really doesn't matter how far ahead they are in flowering. They're going to look fantastic whatever you do. You can even cover the soil with something fancy if you want to. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. This is a little tin bucket, so you could give these away as wedding favours to your guests. If you fancy something just a little bit more elaborate, how about this? I've got 4 of my pot stocks in this container, and the good thing about the pot stocks is they start flowering in their trays, so you can pick the colours exactly for your design.